Laboratory exercise number 3. Configuration of IP address and subnet mask onto the host. Procedure. Open the Cisco packet tracer. We are already here. Connect 4 PC, 1 hub, and 1 switch. So, end devices, I will put 4 PC, PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3. And I will put the network device, which is the hub, 1 hub, and 1 switch. I will connect all of this. I will use this automatic connection type. I will connect PC0 to PC1 to hub. Then I will connect the PC2 and PC3 to switch. Then I will connect the hub and the switch together. So as you can see, hub and switch, it has a different connection type, which is this copper crossover. And for the PC to switch and PC to hub, the connection is this copper straight through. So I will configure the PC0. I will click this one. So we will go in this tab, configuration, default gateway 192.168.1.1. Then we'll go to fast Ethernet. IP addresses 192.168.1.1. Then when I will hit enter, the subnet is automatically displayed as shown here. So in the procedure, I will repeat these steps and all other end devices in the 4 PCs. So in the PC0, I will change the IP address to 192.168.1.10. Fast Ethernet 192.168.1.10. So subnet is automatically displayed. So PC1 configuration, default gateway 192.168.1.20. Fast Ethernet 192.168.1.20. Then enter. Subnet is automatically displayed. PC2 configuration. By the way, there's also another way to input the IP address. We can go here in the desktop and IP configuration, which is this one. This one, you can put the IP addresses here. So for manually inputting the IP addresses, we go in static. And if you want to have the automatically IP address, you can go here in DHCP. So I will put the automatic manual IP address, which is 192.168.1.30 for the PC3, PC2. Then I will hit subnet. I will hit enter. The subnet mask is already displayed. It's automatically displayed. So if I will go here in configuration, I'll put the IP address 192.168.1.30. Then in the fast Ethernet, it's already here because we went already in the desktop and we put already the IP address. So PC3 configuration, gateway 192.168.1.40. We'll go to fast Ethernet, input the IP address 192.168.1.30. 168.1.40. Then hit enter. Subnet is automatically displayed. So as you can see, there's already all the green lights, which means the connection is okay. So I will switch to simulation network, simulation mode, which is this one. So in simulation mode, there is this icon to watch it. This play button, play control here, and the right side and the left side. And there's also another way, which is the Alt plus P. So after switching here in the simulation mode, I will click this envelope and I will drag it to PC0 and PC1. And then after this, I will click the auto capture or the play button, which is this one. It's either here on the left side or here on the right side. And another way is the play Alt plus P. So I will play it here and I will observe what will happen to the signal. So as you can see, the envelope is scattered to other PC, to the switch. So from the switch, there is a X button, a X icon. But here in PC0, there is a check. So I guess the connection in PC0 and in PC1 it has a good connection. So here also the last status, it's still it's written it's in progress. So now the last status for PC0 and PC1, it is already successful. What is the importance of gateway? Gateway serves as an entry point for a network, as all data must pass through or communicate with the gateway prior to being routed. In most IP-based networks, the only traffic does not go through at least one gateway is traffic flowing among nodes on the same local area network LAN segment. What is the transmission medium used to connect hub and switch? The transmission medium used is a copper over, which is this one. What is the indication if the connection of your PCs are successful? The indication if the connection is good or successful was the green lights, and when you switch to simulation mode, there will be a check in the mail indicates that the connection is successful when you play the play button. As you can see here there is a check in the envelope, and also here for the two PC connected to the hub, all the wire it's green lights. In conclusion, to connect the PC to other PC through gateways, each end device have different IP address. Then the green lights indicates that it has a good connection. In setting the IP address, you can manually input the IP address, or what we call static, and there is a DHCP, which means the default IP address. When you set the IP address, the subnet will be automatically input.